Hello friends, let me just show you my another video which will be related to Land of Conquest closed beta testing. In this I will show you about the resources, how you can plunder the resources, how you can collect the resources as you will need the resources for upgrading these buildings. So let me just begin. As you can see that this is my land NFT, and as we can observe that there are lots of buildings are here. These are the resources which I am producing, which includes food, power, and the ore. As you can see, these are the amount which I have already collected. Now the thing is, if you want to upgrade your buildings, let me say for example your base, then as you can see that you will need lots of resources to make some upgrades in it. Okay. Apart from the you need the resources for training of these army personals, for the research purpose, and for different purpose you need these resources. So now how you can collect the resources? Actually, for collecting the resources, you have three ways. First way is to create these buildings like farm and this power and these ore resources, so, and collect from it like this. Okay. In this way, you can collect some resources. Okay. Another way is to just visit this world map. Actually, this is showing my base. This is my base, which is of level 14, and this is showing the coordinates of my base, like 2 by 4 4. So these are the coordinates of my base. Now, if suppose I want to collect some resources, then what I have to do is just search some area, or we can say some the resource location. Okay, so that I can collect my resources. So all you have to do is either you can search like this, or all you have to do is just click here, and let me say I want to collect some food. So this shows the label. So let me just search the level 6 food factory. So here it is, the level 6 food factory here. So all I have to do is just click on it, and as you can see that here two options are coming. One is the instructions, another one is the occupy. So just click on this occupy, and here you can decide that whom or which army unit you want to send there for collecting the resources or for occupying the land and collecting the resources. So let me just adjust it a bit. As you can see, I have adjusted these soldiers and these resources as per my own need. Now all I have to do is just click on this march. Okay, as you are seeing that the my army is starting marching towards the resource, and it will take around 1 minute 45 seconds. As you can see that my troop is reached to this farmland and start collecting it resources. So let me just say that if you want to see the progress of the troop, then all you have to do is just click on this instruction. Here you will see that this much amount of the material, or we can say the food, is gathered by my these resources. And as you can see, the gathering speed is around 58,320 per hour. So per hour, these army men or these modified vehicles will collect this much of resources per hour. Okay, so this is one way to collect the resources. Now there is one more way to collect the or loot the resources. Actually, what you have to do is just find the bases of other players, and all you have to do is just attack on them and just loot their resources. Now let me just show you the how you can do that. So just click on this map. This is the world map, and just scroll it down here. As you can see, there are lots of bases are here. So let me just say that I want to see this base. Okay, yeah. As you can see that I have reached to some player space. Apart from this, let me tell you one more thing. If so, it is not necessary that whenever you visit this world map, and reach like that, then you will always find a enemy base there. So it is just my luck that I immediately find the base. So all you have to do is just scroll like this and you have to find some bases here. But by luck, I have already reached to some person's base. So all I have to do is just click on it. Now, before attacking, all you have to see, all you need to see is the label of the base. So the label of this base is level 10, and my label is 14, so I'm above it. So obviously, I will have some more power. But let me just check the commander details here. So as you can see, the commander power is 40,000, and my power is 300,000. Okay, so my power is much more. So if suppose I want to attack this particular base and want to loot its resources, then all I have to do is just click on this attack button. Before attacking, let me tell you one more thing. As you have find this particular base, you can also bookmark this base by clicking on this star button. Now you can select what you have to assign this, like plane, or is he your friend or is he your enemy. So you have to select these icons and just click on it. So next time, if you suppose you want to re-attack the base, then all you have to do is just click on this bookmark and check who is your favorite, who is your friend, and who is your enemy. Just click on it, and you will reach to that particular base immediately. Okay. So now let me just come back to my actual point. So all you have to do is just click on it. You will find this attack button here. So all you have to do is just click on this attack button, and here you can decide which soldiers or which resources you want to use for the attack purpose, and maximum resources is 37,800. You can adjust it, but I believe that it is good enough for this particular attack. So let me just click on the mark. Let me just click on this march, and it is showing that it will take around 45 minutes 44 seconds. So let me just click on it, march. So my army is started marching towards that particular base. If suppose I want to speed up, then like all I have to do is just click on it, and you will find some resources here like March acceleration. It will reduce the overall time by 25%. All you have to do is just purchase by using certain gold. If you want to reduce time by further 50%, then all you have to do is just purchase the advanced March acceleration add-on, and you have to purchase it by paying some 1000 gold here. So presently I'm not in a hurry, so I'm not using that speed up option. So let's just see that this is my army is moving, as you are seeing. As you can see that my army has reached to this particular base and it has attacked on it. So let me just see that what is the result of this battle, whether I won or lost. Let me just click on this mail, and this shows the battle reward. This shows that I won this war and I see this much of resources, which is quite less as I can say, and these are my losses, and I have killed around 200 of the opposition soldiers and around 3,500 soldiers got wounded there. Okay, it depends upon the basis. Like in previous battle, I plunder, or I can say that I have looted this much of resources, like 151,000 food and 151,000 power. In one another battle, I looted this much of resources like 97,800 food, 16,000 ore, and 98,000 power. And this time I won just, or I can say I loot just this much amount of food and power. So this is one way to attack the enemy players and loot their bases. Okay. As you can see, I have won the war, and I've looted some of the resources from my opposition soldiers. So let me just summarize all the things. So if you want to get the resources, then you have three way. First way is to just generate resources from their own land. Another way is to just visit this world map and just occupy these lands, occupy these mines occupy the power plants to get the resources there, and the third way is to attack the opposition, or we can say attack the other players bases and loot the resources from there. So these are the three types, or we can say three ways to collect the plunder the or loot the resources in this game. Thank you for watching. I hope you have liked it. So if you have any suggestion, then please provide your feedback on the comment section. And please like and share this video so that everyone else can benefit it from this tutorial come walkthrough. Thanks again.